Hello all, welcome to Smart Civil Engineer. In this session, we'll see the GUI of STAAD.Pro Connect Edition Part 2. In the last session, already learned the GUI of STAAD.Pro Connect Edition Part 1. In that, we know the analytical modeling steps. Now here, we'll discuss the remaining part of this GUI of Connect Edition V22. So for that, first open this STAAD.Pro Connect Edition, then go to New, and in this select this model info. Here you have to give the model information, enter the file name, wherever you have to save that file, then select that location, and type is analytical type, and the units is changed to metric, and then here the title and models seed file is your choice. And now then click on the create. Click on yes, then the STAAD.Pro Connect Edition will be open. Here in the previous session already we know this, these are the workflow steps, and in this workflow this is analytical modeling, physical modeling, building planner, and also piping, post-processing, foundation design, steel auto drafter, Chinese steel design, and advanced concrete design, advanced lab design is also available in this Connect Edition. So in generally we are using for the normal beams analytical modeling, and to check the shear force and bending moment and also the deflection values of that particular structure, then we'll go for the post processing. And if you want to design any structure, either steel or concrete structure, then you can use this advanced concrete design, RCDC. And here in analytical, these all are the workflow. And now coming to the in analytical modeling, these are the working steps. These are the working steps. First, geometry, properties, materials, specifications, supports, loading, analysis, and design. These are the working steps in analytical modeling. So before designing a structure or analyzing a structure, first we have to know about the graphical user interface of this STAAD.Pro Connect Edition, how to use that each and every tool. So here for that, coming to the menu bars, this is the quick access menu toolbar. So in this, just click on this arrow, down arrow. Then we can see here the customized quick access toolbar. Here we can see the recent, not recent, generally we are using these options are very, and then save, open, close, undo, redo, command file, and analysis output. These are very useful in this one. Now then click on the more commands. Here you can see all the commands of 3D rendering, 4 node, 5 node, 6 node. If in case if you want to add the beam to that structure, then click on that add beam, like all this. Then click on OK. We'll get all the beams or whatever we want. Then we'll get from that quick access toolbar. And coming to the next menu bar. In this next menu bar, first one is the file. Here in that file you can undo, redo, and the clipboard is available. And coming to the geometry part, in the geometry part, first one is the structural panel. In the structure panel, in the analytical modeling, the first step is the geometry. So by using the structure panel, here you can create the structure with the help of beam grid option or structure wizard option. So in the structure wizard, this is structure wizard. Whenever we click on the structure wizard, these are the prototype models are available here. Just click on this prototype models. In this model type, there are different types of prototype models are available. If you want to create a frame model, then click on the frame model. Here there are different types of frames are available. Just example here, this is the bay frame, grid frame, floor grid, continuous beam, cylindrical and circular beam, like all. If you want to create a structure of bay frame, here just double click on this bay frame, then give the length, height, width and number of bays along the length, along the height, along the width direction. Then click on apply. Then we'll get the frame as per our required sizes. That is the structure wizard. In this, all the prototype models are available. These are the frame models. Now just click on the truss models. All the different trusses are available. Next, surface plate models, and also here you can import the CAD models from here, like this. Import the CAD modules also. Now coming to the grids. In this, with the help of beam grid, you can create this structure. If in case if you want to draw a 10 meters beam, just click on the horizon point to 10 meters beam. Then again go to the, click on the beam grid. You can see the 10 meters beam is available on the screen. So like that you can create the structure with the help of beam grids or structure wizard. One more uh, process is also there with the help of node points. That node points will be there in this select command. So before going to the start one, first we'll see what are the panels are available in this geometry. This is the structure panel, and coming to this is the node panel. In this node, move node and move the origin of the node points, and the renumber of the nodes. If in case if you want to change the numbering of the node points, then you can also change the, select the node, and using the criteria wise you can change the numbers of the nodes. Already put the numbers, just a second. Here go to node and select the node cursor. In this, first here give the origin point, enter first node point, and second one is 10 meters. Then already this structure is created. So with the help of this node cursor, you can coming to the add beam. You can already created a node points, then you can use this add beam and draw the line between the nodes, then we'll get the beam. And here this is the beam panel, beam layout, and this is the plate panel, solid panel, and physical numbering panel. These are panels are available in geometry part. Coming to the view, in this view, this is the label setting. In this label setting, you can change the structure, 3D sections, views, and all. Coming to the loads and results, you can change the color. If here the blue color indicates the shear on YY axis, red color indicates the shear on ZZ axis. You can change this, or you can identify what is what, loads and deflection, beam forces diagrams, and all. Now coming to the scales, if you want to change any scale or any load here, then by using this scale you can increase or you can see the results of structure. And these are the labels. If you are not seeing the node numbers or node points, then click on here, then click on apply, then we'll get the node points to that structure. And these are the force limits, animation, and design results. These are the available in label settings. And coming to this tools, here for zoom in or zoom out, zoom window, and display the whole structure. And these are the views. This is isometric view, front view, top view, bottom view, and left, right view, and left view, and the back view of this. All the views are available in this view panel. And coming to the select, in the select here the different types of cursor are available. If you want to create a node, then select this node cursor. If you want to create a beam, then select this beam cursor. Like that all the cursors are available. And these are the cursors panel. This is the cursors panel. Now coming to the geometry, in geometry again here parallel to xy, if you want to substitute the properties to that structure in x and y direction, then you can use this geometry parallel to x and y. Select this geometry and select this global xy plane between the limits in the z axis, then we'll get the substitute all the properties in these directions. And coming to the nodes, this is the node panel and this is the beam panel. Here the beams are generally in this connection. Here the beams are in x and z direction, columns are in y direction. So in properties, you can substitute the beam properties in x and z direction for space structure. For plane structure, only the x direction. And this is the plates module, plates panel and solids panel. All the filters and modes are available in the select. And coming to the specification, some different specifications will be there in this. Here the beam profiles are available and plate profiles are available, materials specifications, and all the supports is also available in the specifications. Coming to the loading, In loading, this is primary load case and this is combination load case, means UDL with point load and all. And this is reference load case. This is load generator. All the load systems dynamic specifications are available here. And coming to the analysis and design, here before designing the process, we'll do the analysis. In this analysis, we'll give the analysis commands. So these are the means here appropriate analysis method is selected by the combinations whatever we require. In the pre-analysis command, here we'll get all the, just click on this define commands, then we'll get all solid information, element information about the problem statistics or material properties, member information. So if you want to all, then select this all and click on add. Like that, this is the pre-analysis command. Similarly, the post-analysis command. In post-analysis command also, here we'll get analysis results, member forces, support reactions, joint displacement values. So whatever we want, then select that one, then click on add, then click on OK. So after that, run analysis. We'll get if any errors, then you can modify that errors, you can change that errors, you can rectify that errors with the help of that PDF file will get. In that you can see the what are the rectifying files in this STAAD.Pro. Then coming to the utilities. In this utilities, you can see the geometry tools, structural tools, node tools, beam tools are available. This is the physical modeling and this is the command file. And here you can also see the calculator, unit converter, all are available. These are the tools and these are the developer units. And this is also user tools for the utilities. So coming to this is the GUI of STAAD.Pro Connect Edition. In that you can remember these are the working steps: geometry properties, material specifications, supports, loading, analysis and design. These all are the analytical steps, working steps. And coming to these are the working flow. So this is the GUI of STAAD.Pro Connect Edition part 2. And coming to the next session, in next session we'll see the beam, simply supported beam, how to analyze a simply supported beam with the different point loads or UDLs, like that. Thank you.